Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. And today our topic is quadrilateral and types of quadrilateral. First of all, the definition of quadrilateral. What do you mean by quadrilaters? Quadrilaters are those figures which has four sides, four angles, and four vertices. Like this is a figure which has four sides: A, B, C, and D. These A, B, C, and D, these four vertices. Sides is AB, AB is one side, BC, CD, and AD. These four sides. And angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. This is called the quadrilaters. Quadrilaters have four vertices like A, B, C, and D, four sides AB, BC, CD, and AD, and the four angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. All those figures which have all these three conditions, this is called the quadrilaters. Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. These four are the four angles of this quadrilateral. Vertices A, B, C, and D. These four are the vertices of this figure, of this quadrilateral. Now, sides. Sides are, the first is AB, AB. Got it? AB. Second is BC or CD. You can write BC or CD. It's the same thing. Now, AD, A and D, or you can write D and A. And CD or DC. These are the four sides, these are the four vertices, and these are the four angles. So such type of figure is called quadrilaters. Now there are types of quadrilaters. So first of all, we will talk about the first one, that is called parallelogram. Now our first quadrilateral. Now types of quadrilateral. The first is parallelogram. Parallelogram is also a type of quadrilateral, but it has different properties. Like in parallelogram, the first condition is that the opposite sides are parallel to each other. Opposite side means AB. What is the opposite side of AB? CD. So AB and CD are parallel to each other, and we will denote it with this sign. This sign is parallel. This sign is indicates that these are the parallel. So AB and CD, AB is must be parallel to CD. This is the one pair of sides, and second is BC and AD. So BC should be parallel to AD. If the opposite side if the opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel to each other, if both the pairs are parallel to each other, so this figure we call parallelogram. Got it? This is the first type of quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. Now second is rectangle. Rectangle. This was the parallelogram. Now what is the property of rectangle? This is also a type of a quadrilateral, or you can say it is also a parallelogram. But what is the property of rectangle? The property of rectangle is the opposite sides are equal to each other. Opposite side here AB, and what is the opposite side of AB? That is CD. So these two pairs should be equal to each other. Then this quadrilateral is called rectangle. It means side AB should be equals to CD or DC, and AD side and opposite side of AD is BC. So BC and AD both are equal to each other. So AD equals to BC. If a quadrilateral is this condition is applied for such type of quadrilateral, then we can call this as a rectangle. What is the difference between the parallelogram and the rectangle? In rectangle, the opposite sides are equal to each other, and in parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel to each other. These two things are different. So in parallel, this is called parallelogram, and in equal condition, this is called a rectangle. Got it? Now our third type is square. Now our third type is square. This is also a type of a quadrilateral. In square, this is a square. In this, the condition, the properties of a square is all the four sides of this quadrilateral should be equal and making the angle of 90 degree. All, right? So all the four sides of this quadrilateral, it means AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. All the four sides are equal to each other of same measure, and all the angles are making 90 degree. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D is equals to 90 degree. If a quadrilateral satisfy this equation, this properties, then a quadrilateral is called a square. So remember this thing, all the sides are equal of same measure and all the angles are making 90 degree. Now the fourth type is rhombus. Fourth is rhombus. This is also type of a quadrilateral and same as square but a little difference. I will tell you. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. This is a rhombus. In rhombus, all the four sides are equal. In this also, the same property like square, all the sides should be equal. Like AB should equals to BC, equals to CD, and equals to AD. But in this figure, in rhombus, these angles are not making 90 degree. This is the difference between the rhombus and the square. In square, all the sides are equal, but all the angles are making 90 degree. But in rhombus, all sides are of same measure, are equal, but the angles are not of 90 degree. This is the difference between the rhombus and the square. But these both square and rhombus, these both are the type of a quadrilateral. This is also rhombus is also a quadrilateral and square is also a quadrilateral. But the difference is in square all sides are equal and the angles are of 90 degree, and in rhombus all sides are equal but they are not but the angles are not equals to 90 degree. Now last and for fifth type is trapezium. fifth is trapezium. Trapezium is also a type of a quadrilateral. In trapezium, we can see that the opposite pair AB and CD, they both are parallel to each other. But the other pair AD and BC, they both are not parallel to each other. So in trapezium, only one pair of opposite side is parallel to each other. AB is parallel to CD. Two pairs AB and CD, and the other is AD and BC. But in both of these two pairs, only one pair AB and CD are parallel to each other, but the other one pair is not parallel to each other. So such kind of quadrilateral is called a trapezium. These are the five types of the trapezium. These are the five types of quadrilaters. And quadrilateral, because this figure is also having a four sides, four angles, and four vertices. So this is also a type of quadrilateral. So these in this video, the quadrilateral and the types of quadrilateral I have told you, and I hope you like it. Thank you.